Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Hyper-V in Windows 11. As you know, Hyper-V is a virtualization software which is provided by Microsoft. You can test any operating system there. Now, how you can enable it? Basically, there are two ways. The number one method is which is used in the Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. We can use that method, and the other method is Windows 11 itself. Okay, so I'm going to show you both of those methods. The very first method is the older version, and that is you'll have to simply open the run dialog box and type there fviz.cpl, cpl, and then press enter. It is going to open the programs and features. So here you can see that all the programs that are installed here. Why I am saying this method? Because Microsoft is slowly moving all these settings from control panel to the Windows settings. We have witnessed that in the current edition of Windows 11. Okay, just simply click turn Windows feature on or off. You can see that the Windows feature dialog box is now open. From here, you can just simply check the box of Hyper-V. You can also click on the plus icon. You will see that the components of the Hyper-V management tool and the Hyper-V platform, and then simply click OK. It is going to download some required files, and then it's going to restart the PC. Okay, this is the very first method. But the second method I am going to tell you, it is basically the same Windows feature, but we'll have to access it from the Windows settings. Okay, open the Windows settings itself, and then from there you'll have to go to the apps, and after that one you'll have to go to the optional features. Let's see. Yep, it is optional features. And then you'll have to go scroll down to the end and choose more Windows features. You can see that the same window is opened once again. Okay, I'm going to check Hyper-V. And one more thing I want to point out for you. You can see that I have already installed the okay, I do not have, I have not pinned that one. That is basically Oracle VirtualBox. Where is yeah, here is the Oracle VirtualBox. It is the VirtualBox. I'm using it, and beside that one, I'm also using the VMware Workstation Pro in my PC. Now, when I enable the Hyper-V, none of those virtual machine is going to work. That is the bad thing about Hyper-V. Otherwise, it is cool. Okay, so whatever, just simply click OK. Now we're searching for required files. Once they are ready, it is going to restart the PC. Okay, now you can see that it is applying the changes. Okay, it is saying that Windows completed the requested changes. Restart now or don't restart. Okay, I'm going to restart now, but before that one, I have to close the recording. So I hope you liked this video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. So do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel, and have a nice day and goodbye.